welcome back to I'm Out Traveling. My name is Raul, and on this video we are over on the Big Island and the southernmost point of the United States. We are going to cliff jump off of a 40-foot cliff. Things didn't go exactly as planned. We encountered a little problem which we'll go over later on in the video. But this by far has been the tallest cliff jump I've ever done in my life, and I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty nerve-wracking. From there we headed down the road about 3 minutes over to the green sand beach hiking entrance. If you're already cliff jumping, you might as well make it a point to go check out the green sand beach because it's definitely worth the trip. Now, word of advice, there are no public restrooms at either locations, the cliff jumping or green sand beach, so I highly recommend you gas up prior to coming and take care of business. With that being said, let's roll with it. Excited.
You are? You scared?
A little bit scared. I'm pretty excited. I'm more excited than scared. Alright, just got here. I have no idea why we're even here, but I'm kind of excited. This is gonna be interesting. Are you gonna jump?
No.
You're not gonna jump. I'm the only one jumping here?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
All you. All you. You're ready.
Alright. By now, you've probably already watched a few videos on the South Point cliff jumps, and as you've seen, it can be pretty intense. With that being said, take your time. If you're already down there and you're considering not jumping because it's too scary, trust me, do yourself a favor, jump. You don't want to regret it. This girl, for example, I recorded her for almost 5 minutes and she finally jumped.
Look at the horizon and go. You will hate it if you don't do it.
You can do it!
Good for her. Now it's my turn. How long do you think it took me to have the courage to jump? Not that long. I'm not even gonna think about it. I'm just gonna do it.
Do it.
Woo!
You alright?
Whoa.
You okay?
I wasn't.
You okay?
I can't believe I just did that. Can't believe I just did that. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna do it again. Now I gotta climb all that. Oh there. Whew.
What was it?
Oh my goodness. Can't believe I just did that. It was amazing. But you know what? I'm gonna do it again. Okay, hold on. The first jump went off without a hitch. The second one, that's where we had a problem. So yeah, let's replay that and watch what happens. So yeah, the GoPro snapped off the GoPro handlebar mount and fell to the bottom of the ocean. But if you're seeing this clip, that means that it was retrieved.
Are you okay? You okay?
Good jump.
You okay?
I'm good.
Where's your GoPro?
It's about 20 feet at the bottom of the ocean. So I retrieved my GoPro, but only because of one individual. His name is Chase, and I will forever be grateful to him. So thank you, Chase. He was spearfishing and I asked him to help me locate my GoPro. I had a general idea of where it could be, but I wasn't too sure. So he gave me his spearfishing gun and told me to not press the trigger button, which I wasn't planning on it. So he then started to search for it and found it. Luckily the water was crystal clear, and that's how I was able to get my GoPro back. Thanks to Chase, wherever you're at. Alright guys, so I just jumped from up there and this GoPro fell from here. This guy right here, Chase, hooked me up, man. I appreciate that, man.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yo, I'm Out Traveling. That's our YouTube channel.
Okay.
I'm gonna shout you out in there, man.
Okay.
So I appreciate it.
Okay.
Alright, man. Take care. Whew. Lifesaver right there. Damn. He just hooked me up with like 500 bucks right now. Here we go again. Up here. This thing's a mission. It's probably the hardest part of the jump. Alright, I'm gonna put this in the pocket because I don't have anything to hold this with. You would not believe what just happened.
I saw what happened.
What happened?
You lost your GoPro.
How did you see it? when I jumped, when I hit the water?
I was watching you.
But when I hit the water, you saw it?
Well, I noticed that something was
up.
Right? Yeah.
I was like, what the hell?
Where was your GoPro?
It fell in the water. It broke off from this. But there was a guy there spearfishing. His name is Chase.
And he is a lifesaver.
Look at this. So the clip broke off.
Oof.
That's why. But Chase is the man. He hooked me up.
If Chase wasn't there.
If Chase wasn't there, number one. Number two, the water's so clear. It just goes to show you how clear the water is. It might be
so deep.
It's deep. It's very deep.
Yeah.
But it's so clear that he was able to spot it. It's a black GoPro. I didn't have the floaty on it, which was my mistake too.
Yeah.
This is a floaty too, but I should have had the other floaty on top of this too.
You
but
good?
Chase is the man.
Hi, Chase.
Whew.
Lifesaver.
But you know what? That's jump number 2. I'm good to go. And that was cliff jumping off of the South Point on the Big Island. Now on to Papakōlea, also known as Green Sand Beach. It's only a 3-minute drive from South Point, so make sure to check out both spots off your list. You can either park and hike to the Green Sand Beach location, which is about a 3-mile hike, or you could take your own 4x4, which I don't recommend, or you can do what we did, which was pay $20 per person, round trip to and from Green Sand Beach.
Oh, we're here?
Yeah. All right, so people are starting to park here. And these cars right here are not 4-wheel drive cars. So that's probably why they're parking here. From what I know, it's that people have to pay $20 per person to not hike. So you can park here and hike about 2 to 3 miles to the Green Sand Beach. Or you could get yourself a 4x4, which is what we have, and then drive there. But yeah, so I don't know if I want to drive this 4x4 there, because this is a rental after all. But I mean, look at all these. Look at all these cars. No, we could also pay. But, like, look at all these cars here.
$40 a person round trip.
20?
Yeah. We'll take it out, wait for you, and bring it back.
Yeah, I think I might do that. I don't want to risk the rental car.
No, you'll see you watch.
Yeah. So I definitely am calling it right now. I'm not gonna take this truck there because the road's already bumpy as it is. I'm gonna pay the $20 per person because it's not worth it. I mean, look how bumpy this is. And that's that I have a 4-wheel drive. I'm feeling it right now, struggling. What do you think?
I mean, the road didn't look that bad.
Okay. Right here, you will scrape the bottom of your truck right here. Right there. Yeah. That's why you don't take your own truck. Trust me on this, either pay the $20 per person or just hike it, but do not take your own truck. It will get destroyed. There are a lot of different routes you can take, so don't worry about taking the same route we took, but just be careful because it is pretty slippery. There's a lot of sand, so bring shoes. Do not go barefoot on this one. Sandal shoes, I would recommend these kind of shoes, water shoes. So it doesn't look too green on this side with the shadow, but if you come where the sun's at, then you can really see the greenness. Oh, there goes that. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's pretty green here. It's more like an olive green. The beach itself was very nice. It was secluded away from all the tourist life and very clean. Getting it? Welcome to Green Sand Beach. We made it. Alright guys, so I'm going to tell you right now, the $20 is well worth it per person. I saw a lot of people hiking it, and yeah, the hike is free, but the hike is about a 3-mile hike. If you do an average calculation, you're looking at about a 30 to an hour, maybe a little bit more depending on how fast you walk. You're looking at an hour hike each way, so that's 2 hours wasted hiking to Green Sand Beach, number one. Number two, if you have a pickup truck that's 4x4 like we did, I made the call and I said, you know what, we're just gonna pay the $20 because it is a rental car after all. If you mess it up, you're out thousands of dollars. So I'd rather have wasted $20 times 2, me and Lorena, so $40, and just taking the the shuttle, I saw a lot of people hiking, looking at us with like a look like they're envious. So there you go. Here's Grease Sand Beach, by the way. Woo! That was good. That was good. Oh yeah. Oh boy. Oh, look at this one. Look at this one. Not that big of a beach for you guys to spend all day there. We spent about an hour and that was more than enough time. Speaking of hikers though, there was this one family from Wisconsin that ended up hitchhiking back with us and packing out the truck, setting the stage for this epic picture.
This is part of the adventure. Yeah. Love it.
And that, my friends, wraps up our day at the southernmost point of the Big Island. Hopefully this video has been helpful and you took something away from it. Keep in mind we have so many more videos from Hawaii coming up. So do me a favor, hit subscribe, like, and ring that bell to stay up to date with all our videos. And see you guys on the next one. Aloha.